Although we've never been enamored with the HR-V, the smallest and most affordable member of Honda's SUV lineup makes for a serviceable entry-level SUV we can easily recommend, even in the ultra-crowded subcompact SUV segment. We don't anticipate any noteworthy changes in the 2025 HR-V. Honda introduced the current generation model. Standard driver assist and the current HR-V's sole engine option since launch has been a 158 horsepower 2.0-liter that works with a CVT automatic. More affordable variants are sold with front-wheel drive, but all trim levels are offered with all-wheel drive. Expect fuel economy to ring in around 25 to 26 or 30 to 32 mpg city highway, with front-wheel drive examples sipping a bit less fuel. According to its redesign chain and refresh chain, we can expect that Honda will once again carry forward for 2025 without making any significant changes. Or it may be that Honda will add some minor features as standard for the 2025 model year.